Namaste, welcome to Rekha's Kitchen. Today I am making vegetable cheese dosa. It is deliciously healthy. To make cheese dosa, I have taken some mozzarella cheese, grated carrot, cilantro, onion, some green chilies finely chopped and some orange bell peppers. But you can use all colors of bell peppers to make it colorful. Now I am going to mix them all so that when we sprinkle on dosa, they will spread evenly. This cheese dosa can be made with any dosa batter like jawar dosa batter or rice and urad dal batter. Whichever one you have on hand, you can use. Today I am using my Teff millet dosa batter. I soaked overnight the brown tiny Teff millets and ground them into a fine batter in the morning. I made a detailed video on how to make Teff millet dosa. I will give the link below, you can watch. But like I said, you can use any dosa batter that you have on hand. You can use the fermented batter or you can use instantly right after grinding the batter. Heat the dosa pan and wipe it with a little bit of oil. Put a ladle full of batter in the center of the pan and spread it in a circular motion to make a beautiful dosa. When the surface is dry, spread some oil or ghee and spread some cheese and vegetable mixture on the surface of dosa. You can put as much as you want. Cover it and cook it on low flame. When the cheese is bubbling, you can remove it from the pan. It is so tasty with cheese and onion green chilli flavor. You can serve it with your favorite chutney. Today I am serving with mint chutney. It is really a delicious dosa all your family members will enjoy. So make your cheese dosa today and let me know how it came out. I will be waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also watch my Telugu channel for more healthy recipes.